Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing my Boxycharm unboxing, and I just recently bought the new Halo Beauty, the very controversial new product from Tati. So I'm going to be talking a little bit about that and tell you guys my thoughts on the whole thing. So if you guys are new to my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos. And we are in the process of doing a whole house remodel right now, and we will be doing the reveal for that very shortly, so you don't want to miss that. Hit that little notification bell so you don't miss anything and you get notified each time I upload a video. So let's get into it. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to be talking about here is Halo Beauty. This is, I don't know if you guys have heard of Tati. I'm sure if you watch YouTube, you have to know who she is. She is one of the first makeup videos, beauty gurus that I started watching, and I love her so much. Started talking about her line, her beauty line. I immediately thought it was makeup. Sorry, my daughter's in here too. I immediately thought it had to be makeup. So I got so excited because she does reviews on her channel, and she gives you an honest, straight up review. So either she likes it or she doesn't, and she's gonna tell you, which I like that. So I was like, okay, awesome. This is gonna be my new favorite makeup line, you know? So when she revealed that it was actually vitamins, I was kind of disappointed at first, I'm not gonna lie. But then the more I thought about it and the more I watched her videos and she was talking about it, and I mean, she's gorgeous. I'm gonna post it down below. I mean, her hair, her skin, everything. And so I'm like, all right, if that's what she's doing to look like that, I wanna try it. So I ended up buying 3 of them because, and there she is right there. If you get 3, you get free shipping. So I was like, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get all 3. So this is what they look like, and they're so pretty. So what it is, it's called Halo Beauty Hair, Skin, and Nails Booster. Intensively nourishing, promotes thick and luxurious hair growth, minimizes fine lines and wrinkles, amen to that, supports collagen and keratin production, promotes strong and healthy nails with anti-gray fighting enzymes. Okay, I need all of the above because I have lots of grays up here. I was super excited to try this. I've been using it for about 4 days now. And I mean, I don't know, I kind of feel like my hair is already feeling better. Maybe it's all in my head, I don't know. But I'm really excited to give this a shot. So I'm excited, and I'll definitely do an update for you guys and let you know what I think. She's been getting a lot of backlash on this, and it kind of upsets me because she poured her heart and soul into this brand, and it's just, I wish people would just be nice. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. I don't get it. You know, I think it's awesome, and I can't wait to see what else she comes up with for this brand. All right, you guys, let's get into my Boxycharm. If you guys if you aren't familiar with this, it's a subscription makeup box, $21 a month, and you get 5 full-size items. So in my last video, I talked about how I was probably going to be canceling Ipsy, which, by the way, I still don't have my Ipsy for this month. And I mean, it's getting towards the end of the month, so I will be canceling. I redeemed some points last month, so as soon as I get that product from my free points, I'm canceling because I'm just over it. So I highly recommend Boxycharm. You get the full-size items, $21 a month, and I've really, so far, this is my 3rd one, I believe, and I've loved everything in it, so I highly recommend it. So you open it up here, and this is what it looks like. There's a 25% off to Butter London, 25% off your next $50 purchase online. And then it has a little card here, vacation, and hold on honey, I need this. And it just tells you what everything is and the price. So I will let you guys know how much everything goes for. First thing I see in here, this is a blush. It's from Pretty Vulgar. Prim Vixen, Make Them Blush. And the packaging is really cute. It's plastic, but it looks really cute. And that's what the color looks like. It's very, very pink. Ooh, it's really creamy. I like it. And it's very, very pink, but it's really pretty. I like it. I don't wear blush very often, but I'll try this. And not to mention, it's just cute, cute little kind of decoration for your makeup vanity, you know? And this goes for $26. Wow. Thanks, babe. $26. Wow, okay. The next thing I have in here, this is from Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. I've never tried their mascaras before, and this is what it looks like, this. And you open it up. Okay, so that wand, it actually, you guys see it? Kind of reminds me of the Lash Paradise, the L'Oreal Lash Paradise, and that's one of my favorite mascaras, so I'm excited to try this one too. And this one retails for $20. The next thing we have in here, this is from South Maine, 3 eye gel packs. Reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, and moisturizes eye area. That's cool. And you get, yeah, 3 of them, so open it up and they come in these little packs like this. I've never seen this brand. Oh, and these retail for $10 for the 3 of them. Next we have, this is from the Vintage Cosmetic Smoky Eye Brush Set. There we go. And then you open them up. You love makeup brushes, huh? You're probably gonna try to steal these, huh? All right, so yeah, you've got 3 little brushes. This one is step 1 for the money, and it kind of tells you what to do on here. It says use your shadow brush to sweep a light shimmery color over your lids. So that's what the first one looks like. That's kind of cool how it kind of tells you what to do if you're not really familiar with makeup, and you know. And then this one is step 2 for the shadow, and this one looks like this, just like a little angled brush. And what does this one say? This one says, pack a darker color onto the angled shadow brush and work into the creases of your eyelid and outer corners. And then the last one is, this is the, it says step 3, go girl go. And this one is the smudger brush. Should be good for like lower lash line. And this one says, smudger brush can be used to blend the 2 shades together, or alternatively use an even darker color to accentuate the crease and add color below your lash line. Cool, these are fun. Can't wait to try these out. Oh, and these brushes retail for $23. That's a random price, $23.15. It's random. Right about. This is from Pure Cosmetics. And let me get it out of the wrapper. It's a shadow palette. Her favorite. She likes to steal mine. Oh my goodness. So yeah, this is the Boxycharm and Pure. Thank you, sweetheart. Then you open it up, and oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Look at all these shadows. These are so pretty.
I like the shadows.
Oh, which one's your favorite?
This purple
Of course
one.
it is. So let's see, we gotta swatch the blue one, the blue and the purple. Wow, these are really pigmented. Ooh, look how pretty. Yeah, those are so pretty. All right, let's do this one and this one.
Do these ones.
Okay, let me do these 2 and then you can do a couple. Wow, these are so pretty. So they're a little chalky. Well, I don't want to say chalky, but here, hold it up to the camera. Can you guys see those 2? Ooh, those are really pretty here. So yeah, this is really pretty. It's got, they all even have names on them. And then this one over here, this is like a sparkly black color. That is so pretty.
The sparkly black.
Yep, right there. This shadow palette retails for $36. Okay, so I'm gonna add everything up and see what the cost is. Okay, you guys, so this box retails for $115 and we only paid $21 for it. I mean, that's a really good deal. I'm really impressed with Boxycharm so far. Like I said, I really like it. I'm probably gonna be canceling my Ipsy. I don't know, I would rather get the full-size products. You pay $10 more than what you pay on Ipsy and you get full-size products, and they're really good products. Like, they're good brands, and I've just been really happy with it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like if you like these kind of videos, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any videos and my big house remodel reveal, which I'm so ready to show everyone. I'm so ready for it to be over. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye! You wanna say bye?
Bye.
Little kisses.